What's up, guys? I'm Spider-Man now. No, 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 no. Is there like no? Let me. Ow! Wait. Whoa. I'm in the multiverse!
Go back to the blimp. Go back to the blimp.
Gotta go fast.
Where am I? Can I smash the window?
No, cause I got cut off. I
Yo,
got cut off.
dude.
Wait,
We'll just come back up.
How do you like flip?
Dude. You wanna join the ride, sir?
I'm not on.
Yo, Keith, you wanna ride? Keith,
Ah!
no. Come on, please.
Are you okay? Come on. You're stuck in.
Spider-Man never dies because he has like plot armor.
No, I'm not.
Are there any like?
Get on, bro.
You can.
Webs?
I'm not getting on, bro. I'm trying to, but this man.
Yeah, my webs are great.
You guys on? Yeah. I guess so.
You're on.
No, I'm not on.
Spider-Man.
Yes, it is. You're just. Yeah.
Bro, no, I'm Spider-Man.
Where's your
Spider-Man.
get cosmetics?
Where am I
I'm
Oh,
gonna check this shit.
oh.
Bro, I'm on top of a building. What if I fall?
Go to the baseball field. Go. Turn
What?
to the right. Turn to the right.
Oh, get out of the car!
My wing.
Oh no.
Huh?
Let me. No. No.
How do you get cosmetics?
Why can't I stick?
He's not on. He's not on. He's not on. Go to the go.
Go to the
Yo,
blimp.
why not? Yo, my
Go to the blimp.
I'm climbing. I'm coming for you.
Everybody goes to the blimp.
Got it.
I'm at the blimp.
And nobody saved the city like you, but I'm very.
Nobody else can save this city because I'm like Spider-Man or Spider Monkey.
Blimp.
Oh, Jukes! Okay.
Bro, you're such a monkey.
Yo, these.
Get out. I kind of fell out the map.
Dang. Spider-Man.
And Spider-Man is coming back.
Yo.
Get to the blimp.
I'm coming.
Two guys I was with earlier. Get to the blimp.
I can't hear anything.
That's a you problem, not a me problem, buddy. Right?
Y'all go.
Where
The
my
two boys
toes
that
on
I was
my
with.
feet? I'm walking on top of the bridge.
Schmackle. Ow. Let me get up.
Boys are me. Oh. Where are you guys?
No, no, no.
Ty, where are you?
Huh?
Are you guys here?
What?
Cause I don't see you guys.
I'm coming.
So funny story.
My webs are not, bruh, and my headset's.
I don't
Nope.
But you both. But you got up.
Squid Dude. Where's
No.
Squid Dude? I am actually watching. Where's Squid Dude?
Y'all here yet?
Bro,
Squid Dude.
my body, I'm like running on the wall.
Bro, come on,
How's
bro.
that possible?
Not if I'm Spider-Man. That means y'all are fake Spider-Mans.
I'm the real Spider-Man.
I'm the real monkey man.
You're so bad. Bro, I'm already serious about being the monkey man. Is that you?
Did anyone ask you about being Spider-Man, dog? I bet not.
Get on me, and I'll show you that I'm the real Spider-Man.
I'm yellow.
Where are you guys?
Dude,
Where are you guys?
dude with a squid on his head.
You talking about me?
I didn't get the Auntie Y.
No.
Oh, just go to the big building. Go to the tallest building.
Well, see you guys.
Bro, you just made me do
This try out the game I'm playing. It's called Untangled.
Alright, so I let go because
It's like pretty fun.
Come here right now. You don't see me flying in the air?
bro, yeah. That's me.
Now I just gotta.
That's
Ah, no.
I'm next to the cream.
Well,
I'm next to the
Grant the Ant out.